The National Investigation Agency NIA has served a notice to a resident of Tripura's Sefahi Jala district and urged him to appear before the NIA in Ahmedabad of Gujarat by November 21st. Speaking on the intelligence, Lewin confirmed the matter to India Today NE and said that NIA has conducted raid in various areas of Tripura in connections with the activities promoted by some Bangladeshi nationals as part of terror group Al-Qaeda's conspiracy. Yesterday, a team of NIA raided Kochar Ahmad's residence in Tetaya Mura under Sonamura subdivision of Tripura Sefahi Jala district. During the raid, he wasn't home, so the team proceeded to Tripura police station. Later, he arrived with relatives, was interrogated and issued a notice to appear on November 21st at 11 a.m. in Ahmedabad, said the Intelligence Institute. Meanwhile, in a statement, NIA said that on Monday they conducted extensive simultaneous search at multiple locations across country in connections with activities promoted by some Bangladeshi nationals as part of terror group Al-Qaeda's conspiracy to destabilize India. The crackdown of 9 locations linked with individuals suspected of supporting and funding the activities of the proscribed terrorist organization Al-Qaeda started early in the morning in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, West Bengal, Bihar, Tripura and Assam. The searches led to recovery of incriminating documents showing detailed banking transactions, digital devices including mobile phones and other devices related to terror funding activities. As per NIA investigations, the suspects whose premises were raided are sympathizers of Bangladesh-based Al-Qaeda network. The searches were part of NIA's ongoing investigations into a 2023 case pertaining to a conspiracy orchestrated by Bangladesh-based Al-Qaeda operatives in collaborations with arrested individuals. The conspiracy was aimed to propagating Al-Qaeda's terrorist activities and radicalizing gullible youths in India, it said.